925 TX here that broke down on the job site the other day. I had to go out there to see exactly what was going on with it. And this goes for any little Kabota engine that's made just like this. This is a V1505 in this one. And if you got any one that's got this little, fuel injection system just like this one with a rack that pushes back and forth, and what that does is the fuel shutoff cylinder was right here, and you turn the key on it, goes back, and that allows the fuel to flow. And what I did was I just unhooked it here, took the two Allen heads out. I think these are 3/16, and then I put the cover on there, and they was able to get it on, on the trailer. And down here on the other side here is your fuel shutoff. You could just fuel shut off like that. And like I said, but if you got any little Kabota engine that's like this and has a fuel shutoff right here, you can take the fuel shutoff off it if this is your problem. And a lot of times when it comes to fuel related, this is it. So if you have one of these little Kabotas and have this here, take this fuel shutoff off, and that should, at least get you started to get you on the trailer. Thanks, guys.